Do you know what this is? Can you identify what this is? This is pepper, green pepper, and it's an important spice found in Kerala. Kerala is also known as the land of spices. We use a lot of spices here, and you know, travelers and merchants used to come here in search of spices as long as 3000 years back. And these spices are used in our food items, in food dishes, which make the food items and dishes very tasty and very fragrant. And it adds flavor to the dishes. The spices of Kerala include pepper, cardamom, nutmeg, turmeric, cloves, and so on. And all these are used in different food dishes, which add so much fragrance and aroma and taste to our food. And children, having heard so much about Kerala, do you feel like coming to this land, this tropical paradise, to see it all for yourself? And you get a wonderful opportunity now. There is a painting competition being held, and you can participate in that. And if you win the competition, you get a free trip to Kerala with your parents. For details, please visit the site www.keralatourism.org/Clint. I repeat, visit www.keralatourism.org/Clint.